I won 50,000 Ghana cedis. I'm very happy. I too dey happy as they see me so. I happy. My name is Omowumi. I'm a blue seller, as you can see. I was in the market when one of your officers come to the market and introduced the promo to me. This morning, I came with my Onga papers. She brought out the scratch and win card and we scratch it. When she told me, it's like you want money, I say, Asal now. And she said, yes, I said you want money. So she showed me the phone screen, then I see. Then I shouted, God, I thank you. So I was so happy. Till now, I'm still happy. I'm very happy. I'm happy. So this Onga promo is real. It's real.